everybody, it's Katie from Cater's Acres, and this is your product review video for the month of October. So what we're going to talk about today is a fairly recent product and new addition to Polyform, and that is the new Sculpting Oven Bake Clay Softener. Now this is the hardened or solid form, which is still not solid. You can see this one is a little bit schmelty, if you will, and it came to me this way from the manufacturer. But I have now had a very decent chance to use this in sculpting and to really get to know the product, to give you a solid review of how this works, of how it's going to work for your projects and for sculpting. So I have used a whole bar and about, I guess, a third of a bar because I tend to keep my clay a very long time. I always buy a little bit more than what I need. I do not, where I live, I do not have a problem with clay going bad. That is just my experience, even since they've changed the formulas. Now, that being said, I do have clay that is a little tougher than some that does not condition as well. So I do use this. I have personally found that this is a fantastic product. This is far superior to the old drop form. Now this has lost its label, so you'll just have to trust me. But this is the old liquid clay softener from Polyform. It's very mineral oil consistency. It is not the same thing as baby oil or mineral oil or any of those things that people say it's the same thing. It is not. It is different, and it does work a little differently. But back to this product. So what you will find with this, a little bit goes an extremely long way. It is very easy to overuse this product. And the other thing is that the more you use of this, and this is so difficult to find that fine line for sculpting, the more you use of this, the more your clay will not be able to hold fine detail. For sculptors, that is so important that your clay holds fine detail. When you go overboard and you use too much of this, your clay will become so soft, it will very, very quickly become unworkable. And then you'll have to go the opposite way and leach your clay. This is by far better than the other options that I have tried. Polyform used to have a product that was called Mold Maker, and it is great for making molds. Let me zoom out so you can see it here. So this is Polyform's old Mold Maker, and you can use this to condition clay if you still have this, to make your clay more workable. This one is very old. It still works. It's still good. So I can still use this to do the exact same thing as this. This, however, does not seem to change the consistency of my clay as much. While it still makes my clay workable, it does not seem to change the fact that my clay would become as soft as quickly. Use tiny amounts, so when I use it, I simply cut off, and you can see there's straight lines across, and this is just so that I can put it into my pasta machine. So I just simply cut at an angle, just tiny little slivers, literally like this, and this may be all I need for a tiny amount of conditioning, because seriously, a tiny little bit goes a very long way, especially when you're talking about sculpting. So seriously, be very careful when using it, but this is absolutely a fantastic product. I'm very, very proud of Polyform for putting this out for us. So I hope that you try it. I hope that you use it. and give it a go. And it really, I'm also very proud of Polyform for the price point. They've done a good job of trying to keep their prices within a place where clayers can afford their products, and they're easily found, so you don't have to necessarily buy it online. I saw this at my local craft store this past week. So go ahead and give it a try and see what you think, but use it sparingly when you're doing your creations, okay? All right, guys, I will see you later. Bye.